Hello friends and welcome back. So today's topic for discussion is dumpster diving, which is a critical information security threat. We will also understand how you can mitigate this risk of dumpster diving. So without wasting any time, grab a notepad and let's begin. In general, dumpster diving is a practice of searching through dumpsters and other large containers for discarded items that can be reused or repurposed, right? Divers often look for things like clothing or furniture, food and electronic items, or anything that can be useful. In the context of information security, dumpster diving has a different meaning than the physical act of searching through trash. Here, dumpster diving refers to someone illegally retrieving discarded information that could be used for malicious purposes, right? Dumpster divers in this context are individuals who exploit this vulnerability to gather valuable data without the need for sophisticated hacking techniques. People with malicious intent often look for information which can be used to obtain confidential or sensitive information that has been improperly disposed of, right? This includes identity theft, discarded documents, receipts, or even credit card slips can contain personal details that can be used for identity theft, right? So next time when you throw your Amazon or Myntra parcel box, make sure your personal details tag is detached from that, because that contains your name, your address, and sometimes your mobile number as well. Gaining unauthorized access, thrown away IT equipment or media like hard drives might still hold sensitive data like login credentials or any internal confidential documents. That is why it is important to securely wipe off data or destroy the hard drives. Exploiting vulnerabilities. Company reports, emails, or any internal reports could contain information about a system's weakness that could be exploited in a cyber attack. So this is why proper disposal of sensitive information is crucial for any organization. What are some mitigation strategies? Physical security measures include securing dumpsters, placing dumpsters in locked enclosures or secured areas to prevent unauthorized access, surveillance using cameras and security patrols to monitor area where sensitive waste is disposed of. Procedural controls include document shredding, implementing policies that require shredding or otherwise destroying sensitive documents before disposal. Data sanitization, ensuring that digital storage media like hard drive or USB drive are properly wiped or destroyed. Employee training, educating employees about the importance of proper disposal of sensitive information and the risks associated with dumpster diving. And labeling, clearly labeling bins and containers for discarding different types of waste. This can help ensure sensitive documents are directed towards secure shredding, right? Policy and compliance, information disposal policies, establishing and enforcing comprehensive policies for the disposal of sensitive information, and regular audits, conducting regular audits of disposal practices to ensure compliance with security policies, right? And there are alternative disposal methods as well, like secure recycling programs. Explore partnering with recycling companies that offer secure data destruction services for electronic media. And most of the organizations have partnership with third-party vendor for discarding e-waste or electronic waste. So by implementing these mitigation strategies, you can significantly reduce the risk of sensitive information being retrieved from discarded materials, right? So guys, this is all we have for today. I hope you found this video insightful. Please like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, consider joining me on LinkedIn. See you soon with another topic, another video. Till then, take care, bye bye.